The method that we will be using to measure the skin fold will be a 7-site skin fold test. By looking at the picture, you can see where we will be measuring. Make sure to hold the caliper in your right hand. The 7 sides should be marked with a pen or marker before beginning the skin fold test. The caliper should be placed 1 centimeter away from the thumb and index finger. The first site is the pectoral site, which is measured between the shoulder and the nipple and should be measured diagonally. Next is the subscapular, which is below the scapula and is also a diagonal fold. The tricep site is between the shoulder and the elbow and is a vertical fold. Next is the mid-axial, which is between the armpit and the iliac crest, and this is also a vertical fold. After that, the suprailiac, which is right above the iliac spine, should be measured as a diagonal fold. Next is the abdominal site, which is 2 inches to the left of the belly button, and this should also be a vertical fold. The last is the thigh site, which is also a vertical fold, and this is between the hip and the knee. All measurements should be taken on the right side of the body, and 3 measurements should be taken at each site while rotating between the sites. When taking a measurement, make sure to not get the muscle underneath the skin. Only pinch the fat and the skin on top. The triceps will be measured between the shoulder and the elbow, and a measurement will be taken within 1 to 2 seconds. Remember that all skin fold measurements should be taken on the right side. With the subscapular site, the caliper is placed right below the scapula. The skin and fat are both pinched. On the mid-axial site, move the patient's arm back and get a reading of the fat and the skin. For men, the chest and pectoral site is usually measured between the armpit and the nipple. For women, a sports bra is usually worn during this. The sports bra must be moved to the side before taking a measurement. For the suprailiac site, find the patient's iliac crest and pinch slightly above it. The abdominal site should be 2 inches to the left of the belly button and should be done as a vertical fold. The thigh skin fold should be taken between the knee and where the hip bends. This site should also be a vertical fold. Alternate between sites and get 3 measurements at each. Find an average and then plug into these formulas to get body density for your subject. Once body density is found, plug the numbers into the Siri and Brozak equations so that you may find the body fat percentage of your subject.